Your lesson essential question is, how do we compare characters' points of view in a story? So this week we're going to be looking at the point of view of different characters in stories. We're going to be comparing those points of view. So we're going to be thinking about how the characters feel about certain events or about each other in the stories. So you can tell this dog is excited about something. These children are happy about something. This little boy looks nervous about something. So we're really going to be looking at those characters' feelings. So characters in stories have a point of view. This is how a character thinks or feels about other characters or events in the story. We can figure out the character's point of view by looking at their thoughts, words, and actions. So we've really spent a lot of time looking at characters' thoughts, words, and actions before. Now we're going to look at their point of view through their thoughts, words, and actions. So, like I said, we're looking for those thoughts, words, and actions of the characters to try to figure out how they feel. We'll be thinking and asking ourselves, do the characters have the same feelings as each other about something? Or do the characters have different feelings about the events? Like maybe you and your best friend, one of you loves pizza and the other one really doesn't love pizza. You guys have different points of view. So to start, at the beginning of the story, we'll identify each character's point of view about the other characters or events. As we keep reading, we'll identify the key details about the character or character's feelings by paying attention to their thoughts, their words, and their actions. So once we've identified their point of view, we really need to be able to support it with key details. And those key details are found in the thoughts, words, and actions of the characters. And then, of course, we'll talk and write about the characters in the story by comparing their points of view and using key details to support our writing or our speaking. So knowing that characters in a story can have different points of view will help you understand how they think and feel about what happens. So again, how they think and feel. Each character or person in a story has a point of view. A point of view is how a character thinks or feels about other story characters or events. You can often figure out a character's point of view by looking closely at the dialogue. So again, what they say or what is said. You can also get clues from how the character acts. So their words and their actions. When you read a story out loud, you can change your voice to show different characters' points of view. Look at the picture below. What is each character's point of view about the pet lizard? So this girl in the yellow, she is holding her pet lizard. She says, "Meet Lizzie, my new pet lizard." I can see she's smiling. I can see she's kind of hugging her lizard. So I can tell that she really likes this lizard. The girl in the red is leaning over. Her eyes are really big. She says, "Cool, can I see it up close?" And she's also smiling. This girl feels a little differently. So in your assignment today, you're going to be talking about how this girl feels about the lizard. Now, I might change the way my voice is as I'm reading these. I might say, "Meet my new pet lizard," in a really excited voice. "Cool, can I see it up close?" But this girl, we might say it, "Does it bite?" We might change our voice a little bit. So in your assignment today, you're going to be talking about the girl in the green and her point of view about the lizard.